Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into the crypto world, you know how important it is to move your assets around securely. Today, we're tackling how to send BUSD from Binance to Bitrue in 2025. This step-by-step guide will help you transfer your Binance USD, BUSD, smoothly, whether you're diversifying your portfolio or exploring new exchanges. By the end of this video, you'll feel confident handling this process yourself. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need a verified account on both Binance and Bitrue, with some BUSD in your Binance wallet. Also, double-check that you're using the latest app or website versions, as interfaces might update by 2025. Step 1. Log into your Binance account using your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallet section and select Spot Wallet, or Fiat and Spot. Here, locate BUSD in your asset list. It should be easy to find. Step 2. Click on the Withdraw button next to BUSD. You'll see a list of networks. For BUSD, choose BEP20 or the one compatible with Bitrue to avoid any transaction failures. If you're unsure, Binance's help section can guide you. Step 3. Enter your Bitrue wallet address. To get this, log into Bitrue, go to the Deposit page for BUSD, and copy the address carefully. Paste it into the withdrawal form on Binance, and double-check for accuracy. One wrong character could send your funds astray. Step 4. Specify the amount of BUSD you want to send. Remember to account for network fees, which might be around 1 to 5% depending on the network. Review all the details, enable any required 2FA for security, and hit Confirm. Once the transaction is initiated, it usually takes 5 to 30 minutes to process, but this can vary. Head over to your Bitrue account and check the deposit history to confirm the funds have arrived. A quick tip. Always use a test transaction with a small amount first, especially in 2025 when crypto regulations might have changed. If you run into issues, both platforms offer support chats or forums. There you have it. You're now a pro at sending BUSD from Binance to Bitrue. If this tutorial helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.